Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev back again. So y'all, you're purchasing your first home. And the first question I usually hear is, are we in a bubble? Well, y'all, nobody really knows for sure if this market's in a bubble or not. I know as a buyer, I would be a little concerned with buying a house in this current market when I see stuff like, look what's going on in Dallas, where new home buyers are offering $100,000 over the ask price and they're still not getting a deal. So I know right now, being a first-time home buyer, you're probably a little intimidated by this entire process. But don't worry, y'all, because buying a home is the first step to creating financial freedom and generational wealth. And there's many reasons to buy a home, even in today's market, y'all. So in this video, I want to go over 3 things I would do today if I were purchasing my first home in today's real estate market. Let's get started. All right, guys, number 1, find a great, not good, a great lender. So y'all, before you go out and look at houses, before you call your realtor to show you a house on Christmas Eve at 11 p.m., before you call MTV Cribs, come down and film your home, get in touch with a local lender who can properly assess your situation. Because y'all, listen, the way this market is, the price can sometimes be an illusion. With interest rates being at an all-time low, the price of the home is inflated because your monthly note is lower. Take a look at this chart that'll kind of demonstrate. You see, as the interest rates go up, the price of the home goes down, and the inverse is correct. As the price of the home, as the interest rates go down, the price of the homes go up because people can afford more home. Here are the facts. You could find the best real estate deal in the world, but if you can't close on a loan or you can't close on a loan in time, then it doesn't matter. So you need to meet with a local lender to start getting your ducks in a row, because y'all remember, your lender works for you. They're there to help you. They have experience in assessing your financial situation, and what a lender is going to do for you is stuff like, maybe you got some credit problems. They can advise you on ways you can quickly fix your credit, y'all. Your credit's a lot easier to fix than what you think. Also, your lender is going to basically take your situation, which is different from everyone else's, and they're going to advise you on what is the best options for you. Maybe it's an FHA loan or a conventional loan. They're going to go over the differences with you. Also, they're going to give you the different options of how much money do you need for a down payment, so you can start planning that. Now, with your down payment, they'll show you different options to how much your monthly note will be. Now, guys, having a lender go over your numbers with you is essential, y'all. Numbers are everything. Where do I find a good lender? Well, like anything, Google it. Google a local lender in your area, look up some reviews, or better yet, go on Facebook and ask some of your friends. I know I have friends that are local lenders. Here, check out some of their information. All right, y'all, number 2 is find a great, not good, a great real estate agent. Y'all, for the average person, purchasing a home is the largest financial transaction you will ever make. So you want to have an experienced buyer's agent represent your interest. So most people say, nah, but Kevin, I can't afford a real estate agent. I heard they're expensive. Y'all, a buyer's agent works for free. They work for you. Just like your lender works for free, your buyer's agent doesn't get paid until the transaction is completed, and they're paid by the seller. So guys, having a buyer's agent represent you is the same as the NFL having an agent represent them. They have agents representing their financial interests because this is their livelihood, and agents are experienced in these type of contract negotiations. For example, Patrick Mahomes' agent just got him a $500 million contract. Yeah, I'd be smiling too if I just got $500 million. And y'all, listen, your buyer's agent, when you sign with them, you're now their client. You're not a customer. Understand the difference between being a customer and a client. And y'all, as a client, your agent has a fiduciary duty to do what's in your best interest as their client. They're legally bound to make the best decisions for you. So now you're probably thinking, where do I find this great, not good real estate agent? Well, just like in the lender example, Google it. Look up some reviews on different agents, or just like before, ask people in your friend group. Some of them are probably agents. I know mine are. Here they are. But y'all, Going with a friend as an agent is a good thing because you already have trust with that person. You know that they're your friend. They really do have your best interest at heart. But don't just go with them because they're your friend. Make sure that they won Rookie of the Year or Agent of the Week, like my friends that are realtors. All right, y'all, number 3 is find a wedge deal. So you got your super team in place. You got your lender with your pre-approval letter ready to go. You got your super agent sending you deals, taking you to house showings, advising you on what to look for. So now you want to find a wedge deal. What a wedge deal is basically find a house that's maybe 10 to 20% under market value. Preferably if you could find one 20 to 25% under the market value. And how do you find these homes? Well, the average home buyer is looking for a turnkey home. That means a house with no ugly carpet, no ugly paint, no defects, nothing wrong with the house. They want, if they're spending all this money, they want a turnkey home, right? This is incorrect. You want to find a wedge deal that maybe is a little rough around the edges, needs a little paint, maybe the garden's a little ugly. You can do most of this stuff yourself. If you're not too handy, what you can do is find a local contractor to go look at the house with you to properly assess it. So hopefully you are handy, you can do some of the stuff yourself. If not, the ROI of you painting a room that's ugly or replacing some ugly carpet, it's relatively cheap, but you're adding equity into the home, right? Now, what this does is when you find this home that say is 20% under market value, this is your insurance against a market crash. So let's say the housing market does crash in the next year, right? Well, say it crashes 20%. Well, you bought a house that was 25% undervalued, so you were insulated from the market crash. So this is the importance of finding a wedge deal. Now listen guys, all wedge deals aren't the same. There are some pitfalls you want to watch out for. Stay away from homes with foundation issues. Stay away from homes with serious plumbing issues. You want to focus on deals that just need a new garden, some paint, some TLC. Maybe the house is really a little rough around the edges. And also too, this allows you as your first time home buyer to kind of put your stamp on your home, that you're making the home your own. So it's really important to find this wedge deal. If you don't know much about construction, don't worry, because your agent could kind of advise you on the home inspection process. So once you find this wedge deal and once you have all your ducks in a row, you're gonna have a window for an inspection, right? And what the inspection process is gonna do is basically gonna protect you from any pitfalls that may arise in the home. Maybe some serious plumbing issues or Chinese drywall or something crazy with the home, a defect that couldn't be seen with the eye. So the wedge deal, you wanna just focus on minor TLC renovations, preferably that you can do yourself to add equity to home and to also put your own personal touch on the home because, hey, it's your home, it's your first home. And y'all, thanks for watching. I really do hope this video helps you on your real estate journey. And if you want to see me do some more real estate content like this, guys, please like this video. Maybe put in the comments what you'd like to see me do. And as always, y'all, thanks again for watching. Y'all have a great day.